Hey guys, welcome to One Dish Veg or Non-Veg English. Today we will see how to make mixed vegetable omelette with a healthy twist. For this you'll need cabbage, capsicum, carrot and spring onions, eggs, corn flour, cheese and methi, oregano and oil, salt and pepper. In a pan, add the oil, add spring onions and saute for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add the cabbage, capsicum, and carrot, and saute all of these for another 30 seconds. Add salt, and pepper. Here you should not add too much salt because the cheese also contains some salt. So just add a little bit and keep in mind that your cheese contains salt as well. Mix this all together well. Now add the fenugreek leaves or the methi leaves. You have to clean and cut the methi leaves beforehand. Here we should not overcook the veggies because we have to have the capsicum and all of the veggies a little bit crunchy, and they will also cook in the omelet which we put later. So here we just have to saute everything just for 30 seconds after we add each ingredient. Now, after 30 seconds of frying with the methi, take it into a bowl, and now let it cool completely. To this, add the corn flour, and this you have to add after it's completely cooled with the oregano, cheese. The cheese is completely optional. You can add it if you want or leave it out. And the eggs. Beat everything well. After they are beaten well, keep them aside, and in a pan add the oil, and the omelette mixture with the veggies. Pour this out like a big omelette. You could use your fork or your spoon to spread it out to the whole pan because we're going to flip it afterwards. Cover and cook until the below side is cooked completely. Now this is the very fun part. Put a plate over the pan and flip the pan so that the omelet falls onto the plate. And when the omelet is flipped onto the plate, you could put the omelet back into the pan and cook the other side. Again, cook till the below side is cooked completely. And mixed vegetable omelet with the fenugreek leaves or the methi leaves is ready. This is good for Sunday breakfast. It's also nice for a kid's breakfast because this has all the veggies and the meaty leaves which they don't usually like. And if we make it like this, they will eat it because they don't know that there is meaty leaves in it. You can serve with mayo or ketchup or tomato sauce. I also don't usually like veggies, so if you make this for me, I will eat it definitely. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.